Alright, stop. Go over there. Go.
What's it in the sky?
It's high, right?
Yeah.
Let me get a crack of the sky a little bit.
No, be careful. Then she knows that it's open. She cries the whole night.
Alright.
You hear it?
Oh, shit. What the fuck is that?
Oh, the back, you fucking little whore. Get off me. Yo, I feel like going to the roof, yo.
Let's do it.
But the roof's locked.
It might be open.
Alright, let's go. Oh, you fucking little whore. Ugh.